homemade barbecue sauce versus store-bought barbecue sauce. Taste test! So first I'm gonna have you smell it, okay? Ready? Smell. Okay, you smelled that one. And now keep your eyes closed. Now the second one's here. Smell. Which one smelled better, A or B?
Like better?
Yeah. A or B, hurry. I'm limited time here.
Okay, I think it's like the first one.
The first one smells better?
Yeah, it's like spicy.
Okay, here's the first taste. Open your mouth.
That I smelled before.
You smelled
That's the
both
first
of them
one?
before.
That's the first one, right?
I'm not telling you yet. Here's the second
Okay.
taste.
You have
Next.